Today we'll demo our SiteBay Mobile app fast as possible. So we'll show you how to make a site for free and write posts on the go. First up, let's get your site set up. Tap Create a Site to create a new WordPress site for free. Let's just punch in some random values here and wait a couple minutes. Now our site's up and we can create some content. Tap on the Create Post or Add Page to make your new posts or pages. All the editor features are supported, like you can add images and other files to your site. If you're looking to dive deeper into site analytics or access more advanced features like recordings, just click on the SiteBay icon at the top. This will switch you seamlessly to our web app. So some things still aren't in the actual mobile app, so just click the icon to swap to My SiteBay if you need those features. You can view your Grafana or PostHog web data here. There's a lot of stuff you can see about your visitors. If you ever need advanced features in My SiteBay like analytics, surveys, recordings, SiteBot AI, time machine restore, or deleting your site, that's just a tap away in the web app. You can also access your WP admin page to manage plugins and themes. So if you want to work on your site on the go, you can have all the features in one app. Here, I'm just going to create a survey. And you can manage or upgrade your plan here too. Like there's a free trial if you grow out of the free tier. So if you want to try it, download it at the link below.